Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete Calendly events. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have one, you can go and register, or if you don't know how to do that, if you have some struggles, you can go to our channel where you can check out how you can do it. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the create button, we have the schedule events, we have the upgrade plan, and we have the admin center in the left side of the screen. In the top right side of the screen, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete Calendly events. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do is go out of all of these options on the left side. So event types, schedule events, contacts, workflows, routing, and analytics. You just need to go and click on the schedule events. Here guys, you will have every event that you made. At the moment, as you can see, I don't have any event made at the moment, but be sure when you have an event, it will be here. So as you can see, no events yet, share event type link to schedule events, view event types, and here all of them will be in one place. What you need to do guys is just click on that event and delete it here in this panel, and it will be of course deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.